Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I make my charcoal and lemongrass beauty bar soap. So if you're interested in seeing how I make this, please stay tuned to the video. So let's get right into the video. So for the benefit of time, I have already made my lye water solution mix, and I have melted the butters and oils. And here I have my activated charcoal and also my titanium dioxide mix. And in this bowl, I also have a mixture of fragrance oil along with my lemongrass essential oil, which I will also be adding to this beauty bar soap. I will also be adding some sodium lactate to the lye water as well. And sodium lactate, you can add 1 teaspoon per every 1 pound of oils. So sodium lactate is a great humectant and it binds water easily, and it is also important in maintaining the skin's acid mantle. And in cold processed soap, it also helps to harden the soap much more quickly. So I use it because of the benefits to the skin, and it also helps the soap to get harder more quickly. So as some of you guys may already know, all of our products are made with natural and organic ingredients and also botanical extracts. So even our soaps have botanical extracts in it. And for charcoal, the reason I choose charcoal to make this soap is that charcoal is great for detoxifying the skin, and it is also good for oily skin. It absorbs the oil and dirt from your pores. And the reason I paired it with the lemongrass essential oil is because lemongrass essential oil purifies the skin, like it has purifying properties, and it also is perfect for all skin types, and it helps to detoxify the skin as well and leave your skin feeling clean and clear. So after a quick stick blend, I will be separating the soap mix into 2 separate batches. One batch I'll add the activated charcoal to, and the other batch I will add the titanium dioxide to that one. You don't want to stick blend too much before adding the activated charcoal, because the activated charcoal will send the mix to trace really fast. So you don't want it to get to thick trace too fast. So you just lightly stick blend before adding it. So I forgot to add the kaolin clay earlier to the oil mix. So I'm just adding it now to the soap base, which makes it a little bit more difficult to incorporate and blend it out completely into the soap. But regardless, I am still adding it now to the soap base. So as you can see, the white soap base has just gotten to medium trace, and the soap base that has the activated charcoal is already thick and is already at extremely thick trace. So here I'm knocking down the soap just to remove any air bubbles and to help the soap settle because it was so thick. I am, knocking it on the counter to remove any air bubbles or air pockets. And I will be making some swirly designs. So basically it's just S's going across back and forth, and then I'll do some figure eights and yeah, just to make a little, swirly design. So this is it, you guys. This is what it looks like after the process. It's so pretty and it smells amazing. I love lemongrass essential oil. Like, lemongrass is one of my favorite fragrance and also one of my favorite essential oils. So this is our charcoal and lemongrass soap. So after 48 hours, it's ready to be taken out of the mold and for it to be cut up. And we will put this away for the next 4 to 6 weeks for it to cure. So now our charcoal and lemongrass beauty bar soap is now ready to be put on the shelf to dry for the next 4 to 6 weeks. And in this basket, I also have a turmeric and shea butter beauty bar soaps as well that has been on the shelf for the past 2 days. So yes.